It's personalized, it recognizes you by name, it predicts the intent and tells you what you're attempting to do. And if you do have a smartphone, then it presents the information onto your smartphone right away. So the way it works is when you dial 800 number, you're asked if you have a smartphone. And if you say yes, we right away send you a link because we've already recognized who you are and what you're trying to do. So we put you into the next step logically by giving you the first link. And what we find is about 90% of the consumers, when offered a link, actually accept it. So as you drive the app with speech, it responds. But you also have the flexibility to use touch as an input mode. So you can touch different menus, you can ask for more details, you can explore. So it's a combination of touch and speech, which the user gets to control. This does not require any integration to current IVR systems. It resides in the cloud. These apps are independent, but they leverage the existing business logic and access to the data that is already built into the IVR system. Anything where a lot of information or a lot of choices are presented to a consumer and they have to make a decision. So a good example would be someone looking to change their flights. You want to give them 6 different options. It's very difficult for a speech application to just go one by one because it requires a consumer to either remember it or they have to take a pen and paper and start writing it down. So visual speech removes that barrier and just presents that information, and they can go back and forth, take their time to make a choice or a decision. Typically, we improve service rates by about 50 to 75%. By giving the power to the consumer to drive the journey themselves, it requires less number of human agents to touch that customer. And if it's giving overall better experience, what better thing can you do for the enterprise?